I'm going to show you how to alignment new clutch. This is Blueprint one, Japanese brand, very good. It's come with clutch plate, bearing and release plate. Right, you can see as it is, this is the old clutch. You know, the grooves here, this one tiny bit in here, groove missing, here little bit, here missing here. When you compare with the new one, this is nice and all around groove nicely. Basically this clutch worn, and when you go to the other side, you can see all grooves nearly gone, and basically it's slipping clutch. Going to the new clutch, don't use it like this hand with the new clutch. Remove these gloves, use new gloves. Do with the clean hand. I'm going to use this pair of gloves. Now next step, I'm going to compare new pressure plate and old pressure plate. If I leave it like this way, right here, right, I'm starting from here. There is a 2 grooves and one, again another 2 here, another 2 that side, then again it's 1, after that again another 2, and coming to the again 1 and 2 here. Yeah, identical, it's okay. Then I'm going to lift other side and check the other side, because this one have a teeth like a little bit bigger one, original one has a small teeth. It doesn't matter, but actually it's in the correct plate. It doesn't matter about the teeth size, right? After that, I'm going to check, is it going with this groove nicely. See, it's sit on nicely. That means this plate correct inside teeth. Then after that, I'm going to visually check the size of this one. Look like to me that size also okay. Then after that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave it all one out of way. The next step, you have to clean this surface nicely. I'm going to use it brake cleaner and clean the surface. Right, this is nice and clean rag. I'm going to wipe around this area. You can see it's all black. Basically this one come with the oil coating, that's why it's getting black. Make sure you have to clean it properly, this area, otherwise you ending with the slipping clutch. Then I'm going to spray again. Again I'm going to take a nice clean surface. Right, clean. Not much early before you can see lot of black thing, now little bit less. I'm going to do the one more time. Right, it's just wet, no any black mark. Now it's nice and clean. I'm going to leave it underneath this rag. Then after that, I'm going to the clutch plate, because when you see this side is nice and flat, when you go inside there is a bunny thing there, and also it's mentioned blueprint sign, and sometimes some clutches say this is gearbox side. If it not, this one not mention anything, but if you're not sure, I'm going to leave it as it is. When I lift up, you can see old one, it's going inside the bunny thing. I'm going to install this one inside. If you change the side, you ending with the worn clutch again, you have to change the clutch again. Be careful, be aware of this thing. This side going to the gearbox side, that means this one going in like this. Right, now second step okay. After that is special alignment tool. Make sure which one suit for here. Look like this one bit smaller. I have another couple of adapters. This adapter too big, this one too small. This is the only one at the moment I have going close by to. Then I'm going to use this alignment tool, and I'm going to show you how to align the clutch. And after that, you need to put this one through the hole like this. Don't put it too much in, you can use it like that, otherwise this one going hit the flywheel. Then after that, you need to turn this one. When I turn this one clockwise, you can see this tip going to be bigger. See, it's now enlarged the tip. Then after that, you need to tight top one like this. Right, now I'm going to leave it as it is, and you can see too much space here. This side no space at all. Then I need to line up properly all the way around. Make sure all the way around same size. Then after that, hold here and tight middle one. You need to tight this one. Right, I'm going to leave it as it is, and I'm going to check again visually all the way around same size. Right, I am happy with the alignment. I'm going to tight little bit more. Right, now nicely lined up. I'm going to leave it as it is, this one now. Next step, we need to clean this area. I'm using brake cleaner. And clean the surface. Don't worry about the outer line, you need to worry about this shiny area. Right, nice and clean. I'm going to install clutch. First need to line up with this grooves. Right, you can see it's in now with 3 lining pins. Then after that, I'm going to install bolt by hand. Just do the hand tight. Right. After that, you need to tight zigzag method. Top one, bottom one, this one, after that here and there, like a zigzag method. I'll show you how to do it. Like a, put it here, bottom one, 1, 2, 3. Then after that, same thing, go to the top, 1, 2, 3. After that here, 1, 2, 3. This side. Right, it's slightly tight now. This one problem for me, tighten the screws. I'm going to remove bottom one like this, press in this pin, then after that you can take it out. Alignment tool. Now I have a fully access to the tightening nut. I'm starting here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. It's tight. I'm going here, tight, tight, tight. Right, now all around hand tight. Next step, I'm going to give a support for the flywheel like this. Then after that, I can tight all bolt properly. Now no need to go zigzag. I'm starting from here and tight it properly. When I going to tight, this one holding the flywheel, it won't turn. Right, now I'm feeling all tight. I'm going to remove the support.
A full video available on Friday. Thanks for watching.